In this video, I want to introduce another application of the currency strength indicator, which is perhaps a little less obvious. As traders, we all spend a huge amount of time focusing on getting into the market, the entry, but at times it's often better to stay out of the market during perhaps congestion phases or when the market is simply lacking in any momentum to move in one direction or another. And this is yet another use or another application of how we can see this in action on the currency strength indicator itself. And I've just taken a very simple example here. We're back to a single time frame. I've got a 15-minute currency strength indicator on the left and a 15-minute chart on the right. And here we're looking at the Aussie dollar. And the reason I've put this up is to really show you clearly on the indicator that when the currency lines themselves are flat. You will often see this ahead of news releases, for example. You will see on the indicator that the currency lines themselves will go flat, they will twist, they will intertwine, they will maybe all converge in the middle of the indicator. And what is that telling you? It is sending you a clear signal of market indecision, a lack of momentum, a lack of trend at the moment, and that's what it's telling you. And in essence, it's telling you stay out of that particular currency. If you're not in that currency or that currency pair, then it's time to wait and be patient, either for a strong move to an overbought, oversold area, or for one of the crossing applications that we looked at earlier on. So this is just a very simple example. If you look at the Aussie dollar on the currency strength indicator on the left, the red line is the US dollar, and the blue line is the Aussie dollar, and you can see them clearly. They are sitting in the middle. They're not moving anywhere at the moment. I can't remember, to be honest, whether this was waiting for news or whether it was an end of day session, but it's certainly telling you that there is little price action at present, and you can see that clearly reflected on the chart. So the Aussie dollar is not a pair that you will be looking at in terms of either trading that pair or indeed the currency itself on this particular time frame. Now it may well be doing something in a faster time frame if you're a scalping trader, or a slower time frame, but certainly on this time frame the market is flat, and that's what it's reflecting. The yen, on the other hand, is climbing. The lilac pinky line is climbing a little. There's some price action there, there's some move in the yen, but certainly as far as the Aussie, the blue, the red line, the dollar, there is little activity there and little momentum. And equally, you could probably say the same for the white line. That's the New Zealand dollar, and also the pound as well. It's been meandering along in the middle there, nothing much going on, and the markets will be pretty flat right now. As I say, you will see this typically ahead of major news releases for that particular currency, or for major market releases such as the non-farm payroll, or for interest rate decisions, things of that nature, or for big GDP releases. And that's what you will see. Obviously, if you're in the market, it's sending you a signal of indecision. You have to be patient. But if you're not in the market, it's telling you loud and clear, time to be patient, time to sit on your hands, not do anything at the moment, and just wait until the market moves and the currencies move back to some nice trending opportunities from the oversold, overbought regions or the crossing regions that we looked at earlier. So that's another very simple application of the currency strength indicator. It is telling you loud and clear not only when to get in, but in this example, to stay out. Just as powerful, and in many ways, even more so. If you're in the market in a strong trend, that's great, but there are times when it's best to sit on your hands, keep your powder dry, keep your trading capital safe, and that's what the indicator is doing for you here. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Please do watch the rest in the series when we'll be talking about other applications of the currency strength indicator. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon, and bye for now.